As construction at Collins and Thornapple elementary schools comes to a close, renovations at Vista Elementary are ramping up as we continue our mission to create equity between all Forest Hills elementary schools. The Forest Hills administration, alongside our dedicated faculty and staff, have been working closely with our architects to create spaces that embrace and promote 21st century learning. Take a peek at some of the major renovations we have planned. Visibility issues in the front office will be solved by the creation of an open entry office sequence that features glass between the vestibule and office, expanding the entry size and allowing for greater supervision as students enter and exit the building. The cafeteria will be renovated into a functional multi-purpose space with added windows to increase natural light. Whether it's to address a large group of students, allow classes to work collaboratively outside of the classroom, or host parents and community members, the space will be more effective and efficient when we are able to use it for more than 2 hours a day. The focus of the renovation at Vista is to redistribute and repurpose space in the building to create classrooms that meet the district's standard size. This will allow for increased efficiency in the building while adapting to future educational delivery methods. On average, each classroom will grow by almost 20%. This will transform Vista into a full 4-section building with 4 classrooms per grade level. To create more space for students as they navigate the building, the lockers will be removed from the walls. Each grade level will include a new locker commons with age and height appropriate lockers. The clustered design and size of the lockers allow for additional passive supervision. These shared spaces are designed specifically for each grade level, with a variety of flexible furniture throughout the learning commons. Grade-specific breakout spaces for individual focused learning time or group instruction round out these modern educational hubs. All learning spaces in the building will have new interior storefronts added to the space, so learning is on display throughout the building. Reading alcoves sprinkled in the corridors give students an opportunity to explore academia outside of the classroom and to enhance creative and social development. The resized media center will feature a STEM learning room, flexible furniture, student reading spaces, and a presentation wall to allow for greater usage and to create a more engaging learning environment. For the older grade levels, group rooms provide the opportunity for multifaceted learning experiences. From experiential education to self-directed and project-based learning, these areas give students and teachers extra space to expand the classroom and foster independence. Construction on the building will begin in the spring of 2023. This phased renovation will continue over the next 2 years, but will not interrupt any school operations. Students will be kept safe and away from the construction areas at all times. We are so appreciative of the Forest Hills community for supporting the Vista Elementary renovation through the bond projects. We will continue to provide updates as this exciting project comes to life. Go Huskies!